Hi, I'm Theo Burrows, and I am looking forward to having you join us with another session with the Office of the Tax Ombud as we do our regular conversations. We're going to be joined in this session on the 7th of November from 1 to 2 by Frik Pretorius. He is the legal specialist at the OTO. In the session, as always, we will cover some very interesting topics. We will look at aspects of the things happening in the environment, the tax environment, from the perspective of the OTO and taxpayer rights. Frik, what will we be covering in the session?
Thank you, Theo. Yeah, I can't wait for the 7th of November because there's quite a lot of stuff that we need to discuss here. But first of all, I will be trying to explain to the people what is the concept of a smart taxpayer. In a smart taxpayer, or the concept thereof, there are so many facets and aspects to be discussed, but we will talk later about that. But in any event, what we will do over and above that, we will look at the mandate of the Tax Ombud, and we will also help the people to understand what is systemic issues and what is the systemic investigations behind it. So, yeah, and then also we will review problems that tax practitioners may incur, as well as common mistakes made by tax practitioners. And as a bonus, during the session, we will delve into the impact of some court cases, recent court rulings, which coincide with the rights of taxpayers. And that will be the right of taxpayers to represent their clients in the tax court, which I think is coinciding with the right of representation. And then we will also look at the impact of the Dunwet ruling. Now, the Dunwet ruling coincides with the right of dispute resolution. Very important. And then lastly, we're going to look at the latest case, which is the Thistle judgment, which was done, I think, 4th of October or so on, which will look at how the courts see the fact of the interpretation of statutes to start with, as well as a few concepts of the law of trusts. I think it's going to be a very interesting issue, and I can't wait for the 7th of November.
Well, there you have it. We've got an hour on the 7th of November, 1 to 2. It's going to be a jam-packed session with lots of information that we will definitely find useful as tax practitioners. Thanks, Frik, and we look forward to having you join us.
Thank you. I hope an hour is enough for our session, Theo.